Okay, today we'll do the magnetic field due to a current through a circular loops. That means for a circular loops, how the magnetic field line creates. Okay, what will be the directions of magnetic field? Okay, what will be the direction that will do? For this, you just take one cardboard. Okay, on that cardboard just to make two holes on that and give a name AB, just like this. And after that, on that hole A and B, insert the circular wire, conductor wire. Okay, and circular wire त्यो cardboard भित्र inserted it. Okay, अनि त्यो circular wire cardboard बाट बाहिर निस्केको end लाई चाहिँ you just connect it with the cell. Cell सँग connect गर. Clear? Because in order to form the magnetic field, magnetic effects, we have to supply the current. So we have to connect that outside end with the battery like this. Just look at here. Now here the current is flowing from positive ends to the negative ends. Positive then start by negative ma gare end huncha. Positive then the current will flow. We all know this thing. Just look at here also the same thing. And second thing, what you do, sprinkle some iron fillings on the board, because we have to identify the directions of magnetic field, the circular wire. Okay, and in the circular wire, for the middle, that act as a straight line we already did. And for the two consecutive circular, that is the circular ma bend भएको दुईटा A र B को points मा चाहिँ we have to find out the magnetic field directions. Clear? For this, sprinkle some iron filling and pass the current. Suppose, just look at here from this positive end the current is flowing, and from this to this point A मा कहाँबाट current आउँदैछ? From the downside. That means the iron filling ले कस्तो खालके circular path draw गर्छ? From which directions माथि जाँदैछ भने anti-clockwise. It will forms anti-clockwise directions of magnetic field like this. Clear? अब same magnetic field, if you यो magnetic field गएर B मा चाहिँ के हुँदैछ? झर्दैछ, माथिदेखि मुनि झर्दैछ. Means B मा चाहिँ what types of magnetic field it will create, in which directions? That means in the मुनिपट्टि झर्दा चाहिँ clockwise, in the clockwise directions it will forms the magnetic field. Clear? Magnetic effect कुन चाहिँ directions मा form हुँदैछ? Clockwise. B ma, A ma anti-clockwise. Now here another thing what we have to do, we all know that in the bar magnet we have to identify the polarity. We know the polarity, that is the south pole and the north pole of the magnetic field. Now for this you just draw the center of the cardboard. Suppose this is the center. Cardboard ko center draw gora. This is the cardboard and this is the center of the cardboard, and I have given the name M. Just look at here, M is the center of the cardboard. Okay, अनि जति पनि यो magnetic field A र B मा produce हुँदै in the circular path, isn't it? यो circular path जति बढ्दै जान्छ, center मा पुग्दा that magnetic field line चाहिँ कस्तो form मा create हुँदो रहेछ? It will in the straight line. Clear? That means हामीलाई याद छ magnetic field जति छेउमा छ त्यसको magnetic effect के हुन्छ? Dense, बेसी हुन्छ. जति त्यो magnetic त्यो effect टाढो हुँदै जान्छ, magnetic effect के हुँदै जान्छ? Laser हुँदै जान्छ, खर्दै जान्छ, rare हुँदै जान्छ. Likewise here also जति यो magnetic field A र B को ठुलो हुँदै जान्छ, it is के हुन्छ? It is moving towards the center of the cardboard. Center of the cardboard मा पुग्दा that will form the straight line. Straight line मा के हुन्छ? That is the uniform magnetic field will get. That is the rare magnetic field will get. Clear? That means in the circular coil, here we'll get the two magnetic field. It's the same right hand thumbs rule. We can identify in which directions the magnetic field is creating. Now next we have to identify the polarity of the magnetic field. How to identify the polarity of the magnetic field? And we know in the bar magnet, the magnetic lines always start from north and end in the south भनेर we know. North then start हुन्छ, north polarity then start हुन्छ, south मा गएर end हुन्छ. अब here also same thing, just look at here, this line is pointing, that is your line here the pointing the outside, arrow is pointing outside. Outside, that means outside जाँदैछ भने बाहिर arrow बाहिर निस्केको छ भने that is the north pole, and this is our north polarity. Clear? Similarly, and this another arrow, this is pointing inside, भित्र पस्दैछ भने that is our south polarity. This way we can identify the polarity. And another polarity we can identify with this, another one process is there, that is the rules is there, clock phase rule. We can use the clock phase rule for the circular coil. Like here, suppose the clock suppose हाम्रो के छ रे, that north pole is the starting point and south is the end point, no, isn't it? Now north pole मा चाहिँ जहिले पनि suppose you have seen the arrow anti-clockwise छ भने that is always the north polarity, and the arrow is clockwise छ भने त्यसलाई हामीले के भन्छ, south polarity. That way also you can identify the polarity of the circular coil. Magnetic field ko polarity you can identify with this. Clear? And I have given you the example here also. Suppose this is circular wire, and this for first figure, this arrow is pointing clockwise, means this is our south polarity. And suppose यसलाई नै हामीले उल्टा गर्यो भने this arrow, directions of the arrow will change from, that is anti-clockwise हुन्छ. Anti-clockwise भनेको चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ polarity हो, that is the north polarity. Clear? Now next we'll do for the solenoid. Magnetic field due to a current in a solenoid. A solenoid भनेको के हो? It's a coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder is called a solenoid. Just look at here. This copper wire के भइरहेको छ, यो spiral shapes, and this is the solenoid. Ab solenoid ma if you pass a current, in which direction the magnetic field will create, that will do. Clear? And this is the simple, and for this also the simple thing for the solenoid. Suppose this is your solenoid. Clear? And this connect this solenoid with the copper wire. This copper wire ko solenoid cha, and isko end line you'll just connect it with the cell, because in order to know the magnetic field we have to keep the current, isn't it? Like this, suppose this is our battery, connect it with the battery. Now supply the electric current. Clear? Before that we have to identify the polarity of this. Clear? Of north pole or south pole kaha cha, that we have to identify it. For this take one bar magnet. Suppose this is the bar magnet, look at here, and this is the north pole. अब यो छेउमा लाँदा if this two repel भाग्यो भने that is the north pole. त्यसलाई हामीले के, that means the like pole repel each other, we know. Unlike pole attract भनेर. अब यो north pole यसको छेउमा लाँदा यसलाई repel गरे नि, this is our north pole. We can identify this is our north pole. Same magnet लाई अर्को साइडमा राख, if that two repel, that is our south. We can write down north and the south pole. Clear? Now here the simple we know in the battery this two polarities we have identified. Now here we can draw the magnetic lines. Magnetic lines कसरी form हुन्छ from north pole to south pole we know. Always this way we can draw. Just look at here, from north pole to south pole the magnetic lines will create it, isn't it? We have studied. Now here the solenoid ma pani this way it will forms the magnetic lines, and we know that the magnetic lines, magnetic effects will be dense in the north and the south pole like this. North or south pole ma will get the magnetic field dense, whereas will get rare at the middle. Clear? That means the solenoid ko it's simple. This much you can remember. Now this solenoid ko chai magnetic field, it depends upon the two factors. Number one factor, the number of turns. Just look at here, यो bend कति भएको छ, जति बेसी भएको छ त्यति बेसी magnetic field creates हुन्छ, effect creates हुन्छ. Clear? अनि अर्को त current जति supply गर्यो त्यति नै strong, that त्यति नै बेसी dense the magnetic field will create. That you have to remember.